In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your WordPress subscription. Cancelling a subscription you no longer need or want is a great way to manage your budget and online presence. Whether you're downsizing, shifting platforms, or simply taking a break, this guide will walk you through the process of cancelling your WordPress subscription smoothly and efficiently. First things first, let's head over to wordpress.com. This is the hub for all things WordPress, from building a site to managing your content and subscriptions. Once you're there, the next step is to log into your account. To do so, look for the login button, which should be fairly easy to spot on the home page. Clicking this button will take you to the login page. Now, if you're a Google user, you might find the Continue with Google option particularly handy. It streamlines the login process by allowing you to use your Google account credentials. Click on it and you'll be prompted to select which Google account you want to use for logging in. Make sure to choose the account associated with your WordPress subscription. After selecting your account, you'll need to give WordPress permission to access your Google account information. This is a standard procedure for any third-party login. Click on Continue to grant these permissions and proceed. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the My Home dashboard. This is where you can manage nearly every aspect of your WordPress experience. However, today we're focused on navigating to your subscription details. To get there, you'll need to access your profile. Begin by hovering over your name, located at the top right corner of the screen. This action will reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select My Profile. Your profile page is a snapshot of your personal and account specifics on WordPress. But to find your subscription details, we need to dive a bit deeper. Look for the Purchases option. Clicking on Purchases will take you to a comprehensive list of all transactions you've made with WordPress, including your active subscriptions. In the Purchases section, you'll find the specific plan or subscription you're looking to cancel. Subscriptions are usually listed with clear descriptions, making it easier to identify the one you're after. Once you've located your subscription, select it to view more details. At this point, you're almost there. Upon selecting your plan, you will be presented with various details about your subscription, including renewal dates, pricing, and, most importantly, the option to cancel. This is where you can officially cancel your subscription. When you click to cancel, WordPress might prompt you with a few questions or offer alternatives, such as downgrading your plan. These are standard steps aimed at understanding your reasons for cancellation and seeing if there's a way to accommodate your needs within their services. However, if you're certain about your decision to cancel, proceed through these prompts. It's important to read through the final confirmation messages carefully. These will usually outline what happens after your subscription is cancelled, including how long you'll continue to have access to premium features and when your site will revert to a free plan if applicable. After you confirm your cancellation, you should receive an email from WordPress confirming that your subscription has been cancelled. Keep this email for your records. It's your proof that you've successfully cancelled your subscription. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through WordPress to cancel your subscription. Managing online subscriptions can sometimes feel overwhelming, but knowing how to navigate these processes empowers you to take control of your online presence and finances. Before we wrap up, a quick reminder, always check the terms of service for any platform when you cancel a subscription. There might be specific conditions or refund policies you need to be aware of. Thank you for following along with this guide. Whether you're simplifying your online tools or making a change, knowing how to manage your subscriptions effectively is a valuable skill in the digital age. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials. Take care and see you in the next video.